Susie? Susie, is that you?
Когда Синий встретится с Желтым на западе. Поездка в Китай звучит неплохо, если быть осторожным.
Ход есть. Когда Синяя встретится с Желтым на западе. Поездка в Китай звучит неплохо, если быть осторожным. Неделя длинная.
Hey. You okay? Yeah? Are you sure?
I mean, what did you think, really? That we were never gonna get girlfriends? That we were just gonna sit in my basement all day and play games for the rest of our lives? Yeah.
Like dolphins.
Yes, I did. I really did.
Like dolphins can swim.
Stupid.
Though nothing
What happened? Are you
put us together.
He's back.
I closed the
We
gate.
can be
I know, but what if he never left?
ever and ever.
What if we locked him out here with us?
How we can be heroes
And now it's time.
just for
Time to
one
end it.
day.
And we are going to end you. And when you are gone, we are going to end your friends. And then we are going to end
Day.
everyone.
For the first time in a long time,
I will be king.
I started to feel things again. I started to feel happy.
You
But lately, I guess I've been feeling distant from you.
from nothing
Like you're
will
pulling
drive
away
us
from me or something.
away. How we can be heroes
And I guess,
just for one day.
if I'm being really honest, that's what scares me.
Be us
I don't want things to change.
just for one day.
So I think maybe that's why I came in here. To try to maybe stop that change.
I can remember standing by the wall. And the guns shot above our heads.
And when life hurts you, because it will, remember the hurt. The hurt is good. It means you're out of that cave.
The shame is on the other side. Oh, we can beat them forever and ever.
But please,
Can be
if you
heroes
don't mind, for the sake of your poor
just
old
for
dad,
one day.
keep the door open 3 inches.